Hi everyone, you're welcome to this amazing learning platform. Today we are considering the subject Religion and National Values, that's RNV, and our focus is on social studies. And our topic is characteristics of political parties. My name is Miss Adegoke. You are welcome to this class. As you can see on the screen, we have symbols of some political parties in Nigeria. Here we have the APC. Here we have the APC symbol. Here we have Abgas symbol. We have there's a party here whose name is not there. Here we have the PDP symbol. Here we have the ADC symbol. These are symbols that represent some political parties. Now, take note that at the end of this lesson, you should be able to define a political party and then list the characteristics of a political party. We have more symbols of some political parties in Nigeria here again. Okay, what are political parties? Political party is an organization set up by a group of people for the purpose of directing the affairs of government. That's what a political party is. They come together to direct the government of a country. They want to rule. They want to be the one that will direct a country. That's why they come together. Political parties are groups of people who share the belief and ideas that will help to improve their society. Okay, and a political party can be formed by a group of friends or trade unions, etc. Okay. We have some political parties in Nigeria. We have the PDP, which stands for People's Democratic Party. We have the APC, that's All Progressive Congress. We have AD, Alliance for Democracy. We have the NRC, that's National Republic Convention. We have the SDP, that's Social Democratic Party. We have the LP, that's Labour Party. We have the ANPP, that's All Nigeria People's Party. And then we have the AG Action Group. We have a lot of them. We have lots of political parties in Nigeria, but these few are limited to the lesson of today. Now we want to look at the characteristics of political parties. What do all political parties have in common? That's what we want to really focus on right now. Number one, each political party has its own symbol. Like look at the political party picture, the symbols that we have here. These are symbols of different political parties in Nigeria. We have the ADC, lots of them. You can see them on the screen. You can just check and see how different these symbols are. Different people use things they believe represent them. If you look at this picture that we have here, this is the shape of a hand. And then here you can see the shape of a broom here. This one is the shape of a clock. This one is the shape of an umbrella. This one is the shape of a fruit, which is orange. This one is the shape of the eye. Different political parties use different symbols. So each political party has its own symbol. That's one of the characteristics. All of them must have their own symbol. Another one here is that every party has its officers. That is, people that are in charge of the running of the political party. They have their officers. Then number three, each party has its leaders. They have people that rule, that govern, that direct the party. Number four, each party has its candidates for election. Remember, when it was time for the presidential election, different parties came with their leaders, and then they will come to you and say, oh, vote for this our candidate. They have candidates. Their candidates are the people that will represent them. They are the people that they want to rule the country, because everybody in the political party cannot be the president or the governor or the commissioner. So it is one person that they will bring out, oh, this person should be the president. So every party will have their own candidate. Like anytime it is time for election, ADC will have their own candidate for election. PDP will have their own. Hope Party will have their own. ID Party will have their own. NCP Party will have their own candidate. All of them will say, oh, vote for this our candidate. All of them have their candidate that they want people to vote for. Now, number 5. In number 5, I mentioned candidates. In number 5, what are the characteristics of political parties? They help to form the government. All of them help to form the government. By the time they come, they tell people, oh, this is what we will do. People are enlightened. People now know what the government should do for them. And not only that, as we have all these different groups of political parties, they are always checking the activities of others. And if a party is in power, these other parties, they'll be monitoring. They help to form the government. Then number 6. In number 5, I mentioned forming of government. In number 6, they all have manifestos. What you may be wondering, what is manifestos? Manifestos is a written program of their activities, what they want to do, their beliefs, their ideas, what they want to do. They will write it down, in a book. That book is called, the words they've written down in that book is called their manifesto. What they represent, what they stand for. Now, number 7. Each political party find money to pay for campaign and elections. They must pay for campaign. You know what campaign means? They start moving about from one place to the other. They go to one community to another community, and then they start telling people, oh, vote for us. We are going to do this for you. We are going to build you health centers. We are going to build you schools. We are going to build markets for you. They will go from one community to another community, and then they want people to vote for them, because one person will be elected, and the political party that whose candidate is elected will be the one to rule. So because they want to rule, they will go from one community to the other to campaign, and then they have to find money for this campaign. And not only for the campaign, also for elections. Election is the process when people will now go and vote and say, oh, it is ADC I want to vote for, or it is APC I want to vote for, or it is NCP I want to vote for, or it is the ID party I want to vote for, or it is the PDM party I want to vote for, or it is the PDP party I want, anyone you want to vote for. That depends on your choice. But these political parties have to find money so that they can campaign and so that they can also help with election processes. So I will ask you this question. Number 1, what is a political party? And number 2, list 6 characteristics of political parties. What are the characteristics? What are the things that political parties do? So in conclusion, political parties are set up for the purpose of directing the affairs of government. That's why they are there. We set them up so that they can direct the affairs of government. And all political parties have certain duties or functions which make them similar. They are all similar because they all have symbols. They are all similar because they have manifestos. They are all similar because they go out for campaign and they find money for election. Different things make them similar. Thank you. Do have a lovely day.